Yeah, here we go, here we go! Can you not clap in my face? Welcome back to another Brad's Builds. Today we're going to be doing my first build. We got HD screens. We got a lot of different parts here, a lot of high-end parts. I know a lot of you are like, Brad, your first build? You've been doing this forever. Well, actually, I haven't. We're going to be putting together just an absolute monster of a computer.
What's a computer?
I'm telling you, the best. Every single piece. And I've got my friend Danny here with me. Listen up. The most important piece, the computer box, the Xbox. Some people call it the Xbox. I call it the Xbox, whatever. More expensive box, more power. Less expensive box, garbage. The second most important piece. This is the Core i7. Now I'm sure you're wondering, why is it i7 and not something else? Well, I'll tell you, it's the seventh wonder of the world, okay? It was made by the company Core, which I hear they're great. It's unlocked, which means you can use it on any network. Now, this is the 8700K model. Now, you want as many Ks as you can get. Now, you're like, Brad, what are Ks? Well, I don't know, but on to the next piece. Next up is the Samsung VNAND SSD 850 EVO. I've heard this is the best battery you can get for your PC. I know you're like, Brad, computers plug into the wall. You think I don't know that? Now you can take it on the go. Samsung EVO battery. RAM memory. Now this holds all of your reminders, all of your contacts, all of those important details is all held on the memory so that you can remember it. 8 gigs here, 8 gigs here, which is a total of 64 gigs. Okay, we got all the parts. Now let's start building. But first, we need a builder. How about Danny? Whoa!
Hey, Brad.
Danny here is our builder. He knows a lot about building. He's done hundreds of thousands of PC builds. Danny, what are we doing today?
Well, today, I'm really happy you had me here. Like you said, I've done hundreds of thousands of PC builds. Really excited about this one. We got some really powerful pieces here. Some of the most powerful, highest power levels I've seen. I honestly just hope this table can handle it.
Serious though, so much power.
We're actually going to get started with the build now. We've talked about all the pieces, like you said. Very well done, by the way. So let's open up the computer case.
You mean the Xbox? Do you not call it the Xbox?
No.
Oh, it's just a thing that I do because it's called the computer box. I just call it the Xbox.
Computer case. But you know what? It's fine. So first things first, we're going to need to put our motherboard in here.
Oh, you mean the motherbrain?
Yeah, that's right. It's kind of like the brain of the computer. Yeah, I guess you could call it that. Sure. Right, so there she is, right there. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna get our motherboard. We're gonna pop it in our computer case, and then we're gonna get our RAM, our processor, and hook it up to the case and get her booted up. Cool. All right. So we got our motherboard right here. First thing I'm gonna do is get our processor in there. And there you have all your contacts right there. There she is, the second most important part of your PC. Pop the corners into place. And just lower it straight down. This is the Arctic Freezer Pro. This is just kind of, to add a little bit of multi-use to your computer. If you're going to be wanting to, have a beer or something like that while you're editing or playing games. The Freezer Pro makes it cold enough in there to do that. So, here we go. Very exciting part. We have our solid lead Corsair Vengeance memory. It's going right in here. It's going this way. We're gonna click it down. Boom, boom, we're locked in. So, the memory is so you don't forget. That's our battery pack. Have it nice and fast and right on the side. Nice and small, really compact and out of the way.